Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today I'd like to talk about the ultrasonic sensors for backing up in the car. It looks like in the online manual it doesn't actually talk about that. It talks about the PDC or the parking sensors, but not the actual reverse sensors that come with at least the version of the car that I have. So I thought that it might be interesting to go ahead and just do a DIY test of this and see how it looks. So I started with the rear two center section sensors and see what would happen. So that I don't damage anything, we used a cardboard fake wall to bounce the signals off of, so that way even if I back into it, nothing's going to get damaged. And we synced up two cameras, one looking at the rear of the car and the sensors, and the other one looking at the actual display screen within the car. So we could look at what's happening real time, both from the distance from the wall and also how the screen would start lighting up from green to yellow to red in relationship to that distance that is being measured between the car and the wall. So you can see that it started turning red around 20 inches, and then we started getting a solid signal down around 10 to 12 inches. And then from there on out, it's not really showing much of a change on the screen up until contact. So the test was repeated for the side sensors. It's not really on the side, since the PDC or the parking assistance modification has sensors on the side, but we only have the sensors in the back, in the corners, facing back. So I thought I'd see if those were behaving similarly, so we placed the wall towards the side of the car and then repeated the same procedure backing up. And I think, as you'll see here in just a minute, the results are pretty much similar at this point. So in conclusion, it looks like the sensors do work pretty well. They start measuring something around 2 meters away, as the literature was saying earlier. However, I would say don't pay too much attention to the online screen as far as trying to figure out the distance from a wall, but go with the constant tone. If you hear a constant tone, then I would say start worrying that you're really close to something at that point. So anyway, that's what I had for today. If you found that interesting, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.